As I did mention, the question of the two-thirds gender rule, Honorable Speaker, is something that we have tried over the years and failed almost close to 4 times. I want to believe, Honorable Speaker, now with the goodwill that I listened to as all members contributed, both here in the Senate, Honorable Speaker, that we will see the realization or the actualization of this two-thirds gender rule in this 13th Assembly. Honorable Speaker, on the question of NGCDF, I know, Honorable Speaker, and I'm aware that there are still court cases before our judiciary. And even as those go on, Honorable Speaker, it is important that we entrench our NGCDF funds in the Constitution so that in future, neither the GAF, the National Government Affirmative Action Fund, NGCDF, or even the proposed Senate Oversight Fund will ever be challenged in court on the basis of those funds being unconstitutional. Honorable Speaker, in conclusion, let me just join what the Speaker was saying in imploring on all of us as leaders that as much as we want to create other offices like that of the leader of official opposition, Honorable Speaker, and in line with what the Honorable Speaker has done in his ruling, asking on our minority side to put their house in order, and even our old party Jubilee, that even those of us who have, serve now in the minority and enjoy that rare privilege of leading those in the minority, and congratulate many of these members in the minority who never followed their leadership in staging a walkout. Honorable Speaker, as the Speaker and as Honorable John Badi has said, let us lead from the front. Let us come to this house because we are paid, Honorable Speaker, by our constituents. Even those of us who are leaders, we enjoy a responsibility allowance as leaders to lead the rest of the teams, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, there is no time I will ever walk out of this chamber because I do not agree either with the Speaker or with a colleague in the minority. And even some of the issues that have been raised, for instance, by the Honorable Member for, not Rarieda, the Honorable Member, what's her name, the lady? I've forgotten her name, Honorable Speaker. Lilian Gogo, Honorable Speaker. There is absolutely nothing with a member mentioning the Honorable Zamzam by name. My name is mentioned in this house every now and then. Every member of parliament from the minority who wants to make their name out there, in their speech, they must mention the name of Kimani Ichung'wah or the leader of majority. And I allow them, and I don't get emotional about it. I bear a lot of insults from the minority, and I take it in my stride. I want to implore on the leadership in the minority to also have the patience and the emotional intelligence to be able to deal with both the membership that they are leading and even the membership on the side that I lead. And we exercise patience and that emotional intelligence to be able to decipher what is for this floor, what is for out there in the rallies, what is for the streets, and what is for the corridors of parliament.